Hello everyone, so today I'll be installing the Art Moto X head cylinder guards for my BMW R1250 GS Adventure. So let's get started. I've got a full setup of my tools here, just in case I need anything. This is the right side cylinder head guard that comes. With the GS Adventure, what I need to do is I need to remove this guard grill here before I do the installation. But what I've read online that I don't need to remove them fully, I can remove them partially, just a little bit loose, and then install them. There are 3 screws on the cylinder head guard, one here, which is the same one as the one on the top here, and then 2 at the bottom that you see on the guards as well. One is this one and the other one is here. The same way, these screws are here at the bottom as well. What comes in the package are the cylinder head guards, 6 screws. These are the T25 screws, so you need T25 screwdrivers to screw them in, and then installation instructions. Also, for the guard, to remove the guards, there are 3 screws, 1, 2, and the third one is here. So right at the back here, you just have to be careful when removing this third one, in case you're removing the full guard out, that this there's the wiring for the lights that go in there, so just be careful when removing it off. Sorry, I forgot to mention there's also one more screw here that needs to be removed on the guard, so 4 screws in total. So I've got my T40 Torx bit to remove the screw that's here on the guard. Let's start with that one. As you can see, I've removed the crash bar. I initially thought just by slightly unscrewing the screw while this guard is still in, I would be able to install the Art Moto cylinder head guard, but I'm not. And the reason is until it's fully unscrewed and slightly off this place, you will not be able to install this. The Art Moto cylinder head guard is pretty big in size, so you will need that whole space for to push the guards in properly. And what I've done is I've just put the top screw in, hanging a little bit. I'll screw it properly once I screw the other 2 T25 screws down here, and I know they are all in place perfectly. So let's go ahead and screw these in. I've had screwed them in, and now I'll visually inspect to make sure that everything is looking good before I use my T25 screwdriver, Torx screwdriver, and screw it in. So let's do it now. I'm hand tightening the screw, so this also avoid over tightening. Just make sure that, making sure that it's right snug in place without over screwing it as well. So this is how the cylinder head guard looks. The one screw is up here. This is the one provided by Art Moto. You can see the bottom 2 screws are in as well. So it's all good, intact, tight in place. I'll go ahead now and put the engine guard back in place, screw it up in, so the right side is all done. Follow the same process for the left side and you should be good to go. Once both are installed and everything is good, I'll show you the final results. Here is the final result for the right hand X-head cylinder head guard after me completing the installation on the right side. So I still have the left one to go, but this is the right one. So here is the cylinder head guard. Here's are the engine guards. Put them back in, rechecked it. I don't know if you can make out or not, but there's a very slight gap. So it's, you know, after installing the machine Art Moto cylinder head guards, the engine guards don't touch the cylinder head. So there is a gap, and pretty good. Safe, secure. Now let's do the left hand one and then show you the final results. So I'm finally done with the installation of both the cylinder head guards for the left and right. Installation time was about 45 minutes to an hour if you have all the tools. I had to run in between to run and get another tool from Lowe's here, but everything is all done now. I've checked and, you know, double checked the screws to make sure everything's tightened and everything's good. Let me show you the final results. So here's the right one that you saw before as well. That's the right cylinder head guard, all installed, bar including the engine guards. And this is the left side one. The left side one took me a little bit longer. I had to take the engine guards out completely as it wouldn't fit in. So for, you know, I would say if you're really looking to install, remove the engine guards completely. That will be a little bit easy. But also I had to move the fog light as I couldn't unscrew this one. So a little bit more work, not that long, but overall everything's done. Thank you for watching this video again. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss on future upcoming videos. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.